Alright, the pull timer is counting down. Everyone's ready. Buffs are rolling. Wait, who pulled early? Yep, 5 seconds in and the boss is coming straight for us. Well, too late to turn back now. Welcome to the fight. Sometimes life hits you with problems before you're ready. Deadlines sneak up, tasks pile in, and chaos breaks loose without warning. And just like in this battle, you don't always get the luxury of a perfect pull timer. You've got to deal with what's right in front of you. Today, we're going to take down the toughest boss you've ever faced. The one that lives in your workday. It's distraction, it's overwhelm, it's wasted hours, and it's time we fought back. Our strategy? Building a raid party of 5 powerful pieces of technology, each one playing a unique role, just like in this fight. Look at this boss. Huge health pool, unpredictable attacks, phases designed to throw us off balance. That's exactly how big problems feel in real life. Their mechanics? Endless emails, messy schedules, and the sinking feeling that you'll never catch up. But here's the thing. No one solos a boss like this. You need a team. Every raid needs a tank, someone who takes the hits so the rest of the group can focus on dealing damage. In real life, your tank is Notion or ClickUp. These tools absorb the chaos by centralizing tasks, deadlines, and notes in one clean interface. When the boss throws its random mechanic, like a surprise meeting or last-minute request, your tank soaks it up. It's like having a shield wall against your own to-do list. And notice in the fight, the tank isn't just standing there. They're constantly repositioning, making sure the boss never turns on the rest of us. That's what these tools do for your attention span. Next, the healer. The one keeping you in the game when things get messy. In our tech raid, the healer is Otter.ai or Fireflies.ai. These tools automatically take notes in meetings, transcribe conversations, and organize them so you can stay fully engaged instead of frantically typing or trying to remember every detail. They restore your mental stamina by making sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Without a healer, you're running out of mana halfway through the fight. And once you're out of resources, the wipe is inevitable. Now for the heavy hitters, the DPS. This is where ChatGPT or Claude AI come in. They cut through big problems fast, drafting emails, summarizing research, or brainstorming creative solutions in seconds. In the fight, this is the moment you see the boss's health bar dropping quickly, because the damage is steady and relentless. When you've got a massive report due, or a client proposal to prepare, your DPS tools are the ones that burn it down before the enrage timer hits. Every battle has mechanics that, if ignored, will wipe the group. That's where utility comes in. Tools like Zapier or IFTTT quietly handle the dangerous little tasks that could ruin the run, automating repetitive clicks, logins, file transfers, and notifications. It's like having a rogue disarm every trap before it triggers, or a mage that preemptively interrupts a dangerous cast. These aren't the flashiest moments, but they're the ones that prevent disaster. And then we have the big cooldowns. The burst phase. Sometimes you need to throw everything you've got in one focused push. For that, bring in Canva Pro for rapid visuals or Pika.art for instant video clips. These are your hero abilities, the massive AoE spells or precision strikes that turn the tide in your favor. In this fight, that's the moment where every damage buff is up, every trinket is activated, and the health bar starts melting. This is it. The boss is at 8% health. The room is chaos, cooldowns are popped, and everyone's giving it their all. Your tank's holding aggro, your healer's topping everyone up, DPS is unloading, utility is keeping the mechanics under control, and together we land the final blow. And that is a flawless victory. Not a single raid member went down, and that's the power of having the right tools in your party. Your tank kept distractions off you, your healer maintained your focus, your DPS shredded your biggest problems. Your utility kept the fight clean, and your cooldowns made the difference when it mattered most. If you want to keep slaying life's bosses with the best tech on your side, hit subscribe and join me for the next raid. Until then, loot up, rest up, and I'll see you in the next battle.